Hey guys, welcome to my garage, and today we are finally going to declutter and organize this garage. Now, the story with this garage is that this is the first time I've had so much storage. And when we first moved in, I was super excited to have all this storage. What I didn't count on was me having so much stuff. Now, when we lived in a small apartment, I decluttered for like a year, but it was really surprising that when we moved into this house, we had this much stuff. And right now, it feels completely overwhelming. I can't find anything that I'm looking for. I am looking to finally start my fitness journey again. I just can't concentrate on doing that when I have all of this going on. So that is my goal, to get this decluttered, organized, and make a small little fitness area. All right, let's go. Before we get started, did you hit the subscribe button? I'll wait. I said, "Brr, it's cold in here. There must be some horrors in this atmosphere." The first step is decluttering. I'm going to take down each and every bin, open it up, take a look at what's inside, and decide if I would like to keep or donate. Here is the progress. I went through all the boxes in this area, and I have decided to keep these items in the black and yellow boxes. This stuff I decided to keep, and then this little pile over here, this with the red is to be donated, and then these items are going in the trash. So at this point, I'm going to see if the storage shelf unit that I purchased will fit right here. I want to put it together and see if it'll help me stay organized as I go through the rest of these boxes. Alright guys, it took me some time, but I finally got this storage unit put together, and it's supposed to be able to fit 2 of these large 27-gallon totes that we already have. So for now, I gotta start putting this stuff back so that and wrap it up for the day, so I can go and get the girls and, you know, do mom stuff. All right, guys, so this is the Take 2. All right, guys, so this is the progress I've made so far. I went through all of these bins that are on this shelf, and I need to go through all the bins over here. That's it for today. I'll see you again the next day when I'm working on the garage again. All right. We're on day 2 of the garage declutter and organization project. I'm looking forward to getting this garage cleaned up, getting this section organized, and yeah, let's get to it. I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed.
take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you,
Daenerys and Jon Snow, so cute. Rest in peace, Michael. Rest in peace, Tolkien.
How can I believe you when everything is see-through, see-through? Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through.
You want these PlayStation games? Sorry guys, the box is a little bit more empty. I just got distracted by my husband, who basically said he wants to keep everything, which I already knew. All right, so these are my collectibles for my Harry Potter books. We did a lot of Harry Potter Lego sets during the pandemic, so we have a bunch of these. All right, everybody. So this is the progress and the mess that I made. I finally went through all the bins. I went through and decluttered some. I went through and condensed some. And now I'm ready to put this container, the storage unit over here in this area. I'm gonna come back another day and do these boxes, because a lot of them are storage boxes and they have some oversized items in those, but I'm exhausted and I don't have enough energy left in me to do that too. We got a nice little donation pile here going. So now I'm just gonna sweep this landing area a little bit. There's some bugs and stuff. Move this unit over and start stacking up the items right there.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. 'Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. I've been worrying about my mental health, 'cause when I'm alone, I keep checking my phone.
Many minutes later.
Sorry, I didn't get a chance to update you about the garage, but I got it put back together for now. I have actually two more sections to work on. The boxes that are on the far wall, and then the area right in front of my car. But I am so tired. I already went to go pick up the girls. My feet are killing me. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now and I'll come back later. Bye. Good morning, guys. It is day 3 of my garage. All right, play. Today we are tackling this section with these boxes here. Remember on day 1 we did this section. Day 2 we did this section. Today we are working on going through these boxes, condensing and consolidating them if we can. And I also hope to do this area right here. Well, I also hope to do this area right here. I'm thinking of maybe putting all of the boxes over here, or try to get them all over in one area. It's cold outside today. I said, it's cold in here. So I got my fluffy fleece on, but by the time I get started, it should warm up. So let's get to it.
Show ya. Show me the car where you turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car where you turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down.
Show me how you jiggle.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
All right, guys, I love it. Look at the storage. It's so organized. It's so streamlined. I couldn't be happier. I thought I was gonna be able to get 2 of these big units in here, but I realized that I wasn't gonna be able to get 2 of them. But luckily I bought 2 of these smaller units from Home Depot. So the one I'm getting from, the bigger one I'm getting from Amazon, I'm gonna have to return. I put the things that I don't really access all the way in the back, and I stacked them all the way up to the top. I have like a mirror back there that I'm not using. I've got Christmas decor at the top here, and I've got a craft machine that I'm not really using. And I've got some other things that I don't really use on a regular basis. On this side, I have things that, you know, I might reach for, but not really. So I've got some empty bins up there. I was able to consolidate and declutter quite a few items. Then over here is where I have the Christmas tree. I've got some tools and stuff I'm gonna reach for quite often. This bin has some workout gear in it, more tools, swim, beach stuff, and I think this is also some more like hooks and things like that. So I am really, really pleased with how it turned out. It looks so spacious. It looks so organized. It looks so clean. I haven't done this section right here. I don't know if I'm gonna get to it today, but it's just empty, it's just moving boxes. What I do want to do is set up something to hold these rakes and tools. And I have like a tool hanger that I want to use. I had this from our old place, and I want to mount this on the wall. I don't know if I want to mount it here or if I want to mount it over here. Yeah, I'll probably mount it over here. Mount this on the wall so I can hold like the broom, the outdoor broom, and the rake and mops and stuff like that. So the last couple things I got to do is get these items taken to the charity shop. Some items I want to donate. And then I'm gonna finish sweeping up the leaves out of the garage and maybe put these boxes over here. All right, guys, so I finished this section, and unfortunately I wasn't able to get all the boxes all on one side, but it's tidy enough for me. I actually hung the utility rack so I can hang the brooms and mops. And this is a standing dustpan. I have my little step ladder to get onto the top of the storage units. And yeah, it looks great. It functions well. We got the little gym over here. I'm really happy with the results, and I would encourage you to also organize your garage if you have one, or storage unit if you have one, because it makes life so much easier. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me with my garage declutter and organization. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Several days later.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy.
I said, brr, it's cold in here. There must be some toes in the atmosphere.